Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sowing some tomato seeds in January so that I get early harvest. The first tomato I'm going to sow is a cherry tomato called Sweet Million. It produces a lot of tomato and is indeterminate tomatoes. And the next one I have grocery bought salad tomato seeds. I love the salad tomato, they taste so good, so I thought I would grow them. And I've also labeled them as 23rd of January. And then I have some Ailsa Craig Verve, from company Verve tomato, Ailsa Craig. And Ailsa Craig tomato is really good tomato to grow in UK because it's actually wild growing in Scotland. They grow many Ailsa Craig tomatoes in Scotland. There's an island called Ailsa Craig, so I thought it can handle some cold, but it cannot be handled it cannot handle the heat inside a greenhouse because it's too hot, even if it's over 20 degrees. So I'm going to sow all these 3 tomatoes. I have filled these pots with the seeds, starting with some normal old soil. As I told you, you don't need good soil or a very fertilized soil, because seeds don't like fertilized soil, and they just need unfertilized soil, so you can use old soil as you want to. So I've labeled where I'm going to sow all the seeds. So I'm going to sow one row, which is 5 cells with 2 and 2 seeds of the Sweet Million tomatoes. So I'm going to just sow them. Now I'm going to sow some grocery bought salad tomatoes which I collected seeds 2 days ago. First I'm going to put the seeds back so I don't mix up the seeds. And I made the seed packet myself. If you want to know how I made it or folded it, you can. I'm having the link in the description. And as you can see, tomato seeds are really tiny. So I'm going to sow one row of this as well, like 2 seeds in each cell. And I do not cover them with too much soil because they are little tiny seeds. I do not cover them with much soil. I'm going to just lightly tap it with inside the soil, and there's a little bit cover with the same soil it's in it. So I'm going to just sow all of them. Now I'm going to sow these Ailsa Craig tomatoes. from Verve companies are really Verve company seeds are really good because they are 100% germination. I recommend you to buy them. If they're not so expensive, they're actually cheap, but they have 12 seeds in it. It's cheap because they have also given you a free label inside. Verve seeds are really good seeds, and also their products are really good. And as you can see, I have Verve tomato. They gave me some. The seeds packet come with some free labels, so they don't need to actually label the seeds or the label because they are already given the label. And inside the tomato seed pack, another packet because the seeds are tiny. I need the scissors, and then I'm going to cut it and then sow one seed in each cell, so that I have 10 Ailsa Craig tomatoes. Then I will see what's the germination rate. This seed starter tray actually come with a plastic dome, so I'm gonna put it on top and then place it in my room, because my room is warm and this greenhouse is not as warm, because seeds actually need warmth, heat to actually germinate. So when they germinate, I will put them back inside the greenhouse. So this is actually how you sow tomatoes. So really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.